subscribe to
Beard Bird Studios.
Bear Bird Studio க்கு subscribe பண்ணுங்க.
Hi, Giada Susaid. How are you?
Fine, I'm totally relaxing today because yesterday I work all day.
Okay. Is that your real name or a made-up name for the industry?
Is my real name. I don't have stage name. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Tell about yourself. What you do.
I'm Giada. I'm 21 years old. I'm Italian. I'm so young, I know. I'm Italian, but I live in Prague.
Okay.
So I'm a tattoo artist, model, and porn actress too.
Yeah, okay. I saw in Instagram you got so many tattoos in your body. These tattoos does have any meaning?
Yeah. Yes, all the tattoos have a meaning.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have any tattoos in hand?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Also the end.
Okay. What's that mean?
Is a sunflower.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. How you enter into the porn industry? How it happened?
I 6 months ago I took talk with Italian porn actor, and so I asked him a lot of questions about the porn. So he told me about why do you not try. So I try, and now I work not in Italy, but in Prague.
Okay. Okay. How people around you reacted when you entered into the porn industry?
Okay, not good because my family, for example, doesn't approve my work.
Okay.
But for me, it's not a problem because I love my work, so I want to do this.
Okay. Tell about the experience when you done your first video.
Not very good because because I was very nervous and yeah, not good. But the second is what was better.
Yeah, okay. In general point of view, people will think like porn actors are very happy and lucky. So what is the reality?
Okay. In my opinion, I'm really happy because I love the work. But I know a lot of actor or actress that we do this job. They do this job only for money.
Yeah, okay.
Or followers, so they don't very happy.
Yeah, okay. You see, in 2017, porn star Augustine committed suicide due to cyberbullying. You know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. How you
Yeah.
react on that? No.
Okay, is a particular situation because a lot of people think about this work that is not a work, is only like escort sites or something like this. And for example, I receive more bad questions or comments not very good, but is very difficult in this part, my work.
Okay. What do you expect from the audience? Like the respect you wanted. How you expect the audience to react to you? Like, like you want them to react in a nice way. Yeah.
Yeah. In Italy, when I walk in my city, every people wants a photo with me or a chat or something like that. But I don't like this type of thing because if I want to stay with my friends, I don't want my fans here.
Okay, being a porn star, what are the benefits and what are the problems you're facing in daily life?
Okay, the benefits probably do a lot of sex, so yeah, is the most benefit, I think. And the problem probably the people talk with you only for the followers or views, like something like that. Or a lot of people text me only for sex, and is not very good. Yes. So it's the big problem in this job.
Okay, can you tell us one memorable funny thing that happened during shooting?
Okay. Um, 2 months ago, probably, my 10 scene. I did the pissing scene. You know.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. A lot of water everywhere, and I had high heels,
Okay.
so I fell down totally. And yes, but in this scene there was 9 actor and 1 girl, so a lot of people see me when I fall down. So
Okay. Okay, I think this is the most of the Indians wanted to know right now. What are the qualifications needed to
okay.
be a porn star?
Okay, probably big. Yes, you understand? Okay.
Got it.
And yes, so I think that, in my opinion, for become a good actor, you must be polite and kind,
Okay.
and empathy is the best thing for good. Yes.
Who's your favorite porn actor?
My favorite porn actor is Johnny Sins, that he worked with brothers.
Yeah. Do you have any dreams to work with him? Like with the favorite porn actor, Johnny Sins?
uh, yes. I really would like to act with him.
Yeah, okay. You know, in India, they banned every porn sites.
Okay.
Yeah, what do you like to say about that?
Okay.
Yeah,
Why?
maybe the culture.
Well, it's a strange thing because in Italy porn is illegal,
Okay.
but is not banned.
Okay.
In Prague, for example, the porn is legal, is a very work.
Okay.
So there are a big difference for Prague to India.
Yeah, totally. What's your ambition apart from this?
Probably work with the very big production in Europe and in America. Yes, and I don't know. Is my first ambition
Okay.
yes,
How are you interested in doing films in Hollywood?
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Johnny Sins,
Yeah.
because Brothers is in America, and Texas Party.
Okay.
But I did a film with her, so I hope to work another time with her.
Okay. Apart from the porn industry, you like to work with the film, into the films?
Yes.
Yeah. A favorite director you like to work with?
Probably the director of Legal Porno,
Yeah.
because I love to work with with him.
Okay. Have you seen any Indian films?
No.
No. Do you have any idea about Indians or Indian culture? Do you have any idea?
Yes, because I have a friend, so times about the culture or something like that, but I don't see the place, or yes.
Okay. Have you tried any Indian food?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. So, do you remember what's the name of the food?
Yes. Um. No. Like bread with some
Okay.
species. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Can you speak few words in Tamil? I will teach you. You just repeat it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. எனது அனைத்து தமிழ் ரசிகர்களுக்கும் கோடான கோடி நன்றிகள்.
Too much words.
Okay, I will break it out like one word. Okay.
Okay.
எனது
எனது
அனைத்து
அனைத்து
தமிழ் ரசிகர்களுக்கும் okay தமிழ் ரசிகர்களுக்கும்
Oh God, it's so difficult. I teach a sentence in Italy. It's more simple.
Okay.
So, what do you want to say in Italiano?
Italiano, I want to say thanks for watching.
Okay, in Italy is grazie.
Grazie.
Per avermi.
Say that again.
Avermi. Yes. Seguito. Yes. Good.
Okay.
Thanks.
The words I told no in Tamil, it's mean thank you for the support, thank you for the love.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what it means.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for the interview.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay.
Bye.
Bye.
ஸோ தரமான வீடியோஸ் பார்க்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் டு பியர்ட் பேர்ட் ஸ்டுடியோஸ்.
அப்புறம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.